I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from Binance to Quotex. This full guide will walk you through each essential step to ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your funds. We will cover everything from preparing your Quotex account to finalizing the withdrawal on Binance. Understanding these steps is crucial for a secure and efficient transaction, helping you manage your digital assets effectively. Let's get started with the first important step. First, log into your Quotex account and navigate to the deposit section. Here, you will choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, such as USD. It is absolutely critical to select the correct network, for example, TRC20 or BEP20, as this must match your Binance withdrawal network. Once selected, carefully copy the unique deposit address provided by Quotex. This address is where your funds will be sent. Now, switch over to your Binance account and locate your wallet. Select the withdraw option. Paste the Quotex deposit address you just copied into the designated address field. Again, ensure the network you choose on Binance precisely matches the network you selected on Quotex. Enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw. Take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details before proceeding to the next step. Before finalizing, double-check every detail of your transaction to prevent any errors. Binance will then prompt you to complete any necessary security verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, you can monitor the transaction status on both platforms. Typically, funds should arrive in your Quotex account within a few minutes to several hours, depending on network congestion. Congratulations on successfully transferring your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.